What's up, Tron TRX crypto holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about TRX. What's the current price of TRX? What's the price chance of the TRX? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. My friends, at this time, if we look the latest price of the TRX, so the currently price of the TRX, you can see here 0.07 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the TRX. Other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the TRX is 0.0000194 BTC Bitcoin price of the TRX, my friends. My friends, please, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video. Other side, if you look the 24 hours trading volume of the TRX, so you can see here that is the trading volume of the TRX coin Tron, and the market cap is here. Total supply of the TRX here. Available supply is here. You know what, my friends, the people are so disappointed from TRX, but personally I'm very happy with the TRX, my friends, because I know the future of TRX is bright. Now there is a temporary pause. Every cryptocurrency is fast down for some time. That's not mean then you decide to sit. That's not mean you start hating from this coin. No, my friends, every coin is fast down. You can see if you look the previous changes of the TRX, so the previous change of coin in the TRX is negative, so that's mean that TRX is not a bad coin, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, it's absolutely the TRX is taking a huge pump here, but the people are understanding the wrong. TRX, you can see take a good jump, my friends. That's a big adoption of the TRX, my friends. So you know what, at this time personally I'm feeling very good about TRX, very good. But now the last 1 hour pricing is negative, so I hope the price will pump. Tomorrow the price will pump, and tomorrow is a profit day. I'm 100% sure that tomorrow TRX will give you profit, my friends. The price will pump, especially for short-term investor. Wake up, tomorrow they will give you profit, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.